treat! Today, we're going to do an elevator lift. Come on, let's start. Step 1. Connect the controller and the motor. Step 2. Let's build a house for the kitten. Okay, the kitten's house is ready. This is so easy.
Isn't that clever?
The third step is to install the elevator. Open.
Oh shit. I think so too.
What is up?
Install a small elevator.
Install a small elevator. Step 4. Assemble the base plate. Mom, help me. Step 5. Bundle the rope. Mom, help me tie this up.
Okay.
Put the rope into the elevator. Mom, I finished.
Okay.
How I don't.
Okay, our next step. Here.
Step 6. Install the elevator roof. Pay attention to the direction. The gear is moving downwards. Bind the ropes to the pole.
Okay, I'll tie a knot. Little princess, let's tie a knot. Just tie a knot. Then cut off the excess rope.
Step 7. Assemble the motor. Mom, help me.
Great! It is a bit difficult to fit it in. Okay, let's do it this way.
Marvelous. Second president. Step 8 is install the motor. Install on elevator shaft. Watch me assemble it.
Okay, let me try.
Step 9. Install the small battery. AA battery.
It is installed. Okay, let's try it. Assembly completed.
Assembly completed. The elevator is out of order.
What should we do then?
The rescue alarm was activated. You're stuck. What should we do? Bye. Remember to subscribe to us if you like it.